Thank you for tuning into Jent Tech. Please like and subscribe. Today I would like to show you an introduction guide on how to find and use the Task Manager in Windows 11 23H2. Opening the Task Manager. To open the Task Manager, simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape on your keyboard, or you can use Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete and select Task Manager from the menu. It's your one-stop solution for monitoring and controlling your system. You also can right-click on the Start menu as well, to pull up the Task Manager. Now I will explain what the Task Manager does. Processes tab. The Processes tab is where the magic happens. Here, you can see all the running applications and background processes on your computer. Need to close a frozen application? Right-click and select End Task. Task Manager makes it easy to keep your system responsive and smooth. Performance Insights. Navigate to the Performance tab for a real-time view of your CPU, memory, disk, and network usage. This visual representation helps you identify which components are under stress, allowing you to troubleshoot effectively and optimize your system for peak performance. Startup Programs. Is your PC taking forever to boot up? Head over to the Startup tab. Here, you can disable unnecessary programs that launch with Windows. Streamlining your startup items can significantly reduce boot times, ensuring you get to work or play faster. App History and Resource Usage. The App History tab provides valuable insights into your application usage patterns. It tracks resource consumption over time, helping you identify resource-hungry applications. Armed with this knowledge, you can make informed decisions about which applications to keep, improving efficiency and responsiveness. And there you have it, folks, a brief yet comprehensive guide to the Task Manager in Windows 11 23H2. Mastering the Task Manager empowers you to take control of your system, ensuring it runs smoothly and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Windows 11 tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tech insights right here on our channel. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe and like button.